So, to start with, controlled drug delivery systems, that's your first unit. First thing is the introduction and the rationale to the controlled drug delivery systems. Now, before we begin with what is the introduction to controlled drug delivery systems, first let me tell you the drug delivery systems are of two types. Okay, one is conventional drug delivery systems and the other are novel or new drug delivery systems. Okay, so that's the two types of drug delivery systems, conventional and novel. Okay, so first of all, we must understand what is conventional drug delivery systems. One, we understand what is conventional and what are the limitations of the conventional drug delivery system. Then we'll be able to understand why there was a need or what are the controlled drug delivery systems. Okay, so conventional drug delivery systems are immediate release. Okay, IR, immediate release systems. Now, immediate release systems means that the entire amount of the drug is released from the dosage form after administration. Now, what does that mean? Entire amount is released. Suppose, for instance, you have a tablet of 100 mg, okay, containing 100 mg drug. Now, when you take this tablet orally, it goes down into the stomach and into the intestine. The first thing that takes place is the disintegration of the tablet. The entire 100 mg of the drug is released. It goes into solution in the intestinal fluids. Okay, तो जो पूरी की पूरी जो 100 mg ड्रग है टैबलेट में, कन्वेंशनल टैबलेट में, जैसे ही टैबलेट डिसइंटीग्रेट होगी 100 mg ड्रग उसमें से रिलीज होगी, स्टमक में, इंटेस्टिन में, फ्लूइड्स में डिसॉल्व हो जाएगी. Okay, so that is conventional immediate release. The entire amount of the drug is released from the dosage form after administration. The next point in that immediate release is that entire released amount is available for absorption. Okay, entire amount will be available for absorption. जो 100 mg रिलीज हुई है और जो सोल्यूशन में गई है इंटेस्टिनल फ्लूइड में, स्टमक के फ्लूइड में, वो पूरी की पूरी 100 mg उसी मिनट अवेलेबल है अब्जॉर्प्शन के लिए. ठीक है, मतलब ये कि आपने टैबलेट ली, आधे घंटे में डिसइंटीग्रेट हुई, आधे घंटे में ही पूरी की पूरी 100 mg ड्रग रिलीज हो गई एंड इट इज़ अवेलेबल फॉर अब्जॉर्प्शन. अब इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? जैसे ही 100 mg रिलीज हुई, सोल्यूशन में गई, वो पूरा 100 mg जो सोल्यूशन है इट इज़ अवेलेबल फॉर अब्जॉर्प्शन. दैट मीन्स ना अब्जॉर्प्शन इज ए फर्स्ट ऑर्डर प्रोसेस. ओके, तो जितनी ज़्यादा ड्रग रिलीज हुई, जितनी ज़्यादा वो सोल्यूशन में गई, उतना ही फास्ट अब्जॉर्प्शन होगा. ओके, सो there is going to be a peak. There is going to be a peak plasma concentration. There will be a very fast increase in the plasma drug concentration. Okay, तो सब कुछ अब्जॉर्ब होकर के स्टमक इंटेस्टिन में से फास्ट अब्जॉर्प्शन होकर के ब्लड में पहुंचेगा. ब्लड में हाई